I arrived after 6.5 hours of travel. I'm finally here in Basel, Switzerland for the Dr. Joe Dispenza Progressive Workshop, which is going to be fantastic. I'm just going to get ready and then I'm heading over to see the rest of the 8,000 people and get in my queue so I get in time. And here is my lovely ticket, which I shouldn't forget in a second. And then I'm gonna wear this. Look at this, I've got a jumper, and on the back is Raise Your Energy, the podcast. Woohoo! And then I even got some stickers done to hand it out to people. So by the time you're watching this, you might be one of those people that I gave one of these stickers to. So we actually met. How crazy is this? When you are watching this, you have met me already, and at this moment in time, I have not met you. I love it. So I'm gonna hand out all of these stickers and many, many more that I have. And I'm ready. So let's go. Just walking back, we finished day one, and obviously I can't really show you or record for you the teachings from Dr. Joe, so obviously for that you have to come yourself to one of his events, which you can. So yeah, it was lovely. 2 hours of learning already a lot. I all heard it of course before, but you just every time take something new in again, because you are a new person when you hear this again. And yeah, I'm just so looking forward to start again tomorrow morning and starting meditating with 8,000 people in the room. This will be amazing. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's still dark outside and the event doesn't start for another 2 hours, but what we're actually going to do is meet up to go together for a walking meditation. So that's where I'm walking towards at the moment. So see you in a second. And from the walking meditation over to the progressive workshop at day 2. We're gonna start in 15 minutes at 9 o'clock, but first we're gonna do some dancing.
So it's lunchtime and we just finished the first meditation all together with the 8,000 people here in the room, and it was amazing. It was fantastic, and yeah, you could feel the power of the people in this meditation. So yeah, it was a great morning. The food for lunch was as well amazing. We're so well taken care of here. It's just fantastic. Everything runs so well. So yeah, soon we're gonna get back, and I can't wait for another afternoon with Dr. Joe and another meditation.
It's the end of day 2. I just came back to the hotel room and I'm all sorts of stuff. Very happy about the day, very tired, very inspired, very emotional. It was fantastic. I can't even tell you everything that we've went through in one day. It's just so much knowledge. That's why I love it. It's just so good. And I have heard this so many times before. This is my 7th event with Dr. Joe. I studied his materials before. I've even went through a training with him to be an NCS consultant. So I know all of this stuff, but every time I still learn something new. I am a different person every time I go, and therefore I'm taking something else in that is at that point more relevant to me. And that happened today again. I realized again, I wouldn't say a problem, but an area for me to work on today. And I was kind of just blind to it until today. And that's why I keep coming back to discover these new areas, the next things for me to let go of. And yeah, we had 2 amazing meditations. Another reason why I come, I mean, honestly, being in a room with 8,000 people and everybody's meditating, this is some shit energy, guys. This is amazing. And again, both of my meditations were profound. They hit new levels of depth, of going deep, and I had new insights, new experiences, new aha moments coming through, and I'm just so grateful for that. And it was just fantastic. So I'm closing off the day, and I will soon go to bed. Keep enjoying this energy and those elevated emotions that we've created today throughout the meditations and throughout the rest of the day with dancing and meeting like-minded people and seeing all of their smiles, all of your smiles. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the 3rd and last day tomorrow. It's gonna be epic. That's when the energy really is the highest. So I'm looking forward to that. So have a good night, and I will see you very soon.
A bit of a winter start this morning. Good morning, everybody. Got a little bit soaked on the look here, but it's just water. So heading in and getting my suit for the day, and I can't wait for day 3. it's a wrap. We are all done with the progressive workshop, and it was a fantastic day. We've done even 4 meditations today, and each one was so different and amazing in itself. And I had again a new experience today, which I will cherish honestly for the rest of my life. And the energy is just so fantastic with all of those people here, and everybody was just pure love and joy, enjoying ourselves today. So I'm going to share a few more impressions from today. I will show you lovely people that I met throughout, that I knew before, some and some were new. You all know who I mean, and you made this weekend the weekend it is. Your energy, your love, your compassion, your beauty. So thank you so much for being with me here, and thank you for watching this video as well. I love you very much, and I talk to you very soon. Bye bye.